It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a warm, sunny day in Springland. Morning, butterfly. Morning, flowers.
Watch out, Lolly,
shouts Mr. Woolly the sheep. Swoosh Swoosh has some exciting news to tell. Honk! There's a new foal on the farm! A new foal? What's that? asks Honk. A foal is a baby horse. Yippee! A new friend. I'll race you, Swoosh Swoosh. Ow! 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 cries Honk. What's wrong, Honk? asks Swoosh Swoosh. What's that sound? Oh no! cries Swoosh Swoosh. You have a flat tire, Honk. Honk is very disappointed. Now I can't go and see the new foal, moans Honk. I'll find you a new tire, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Swoosh Swoosh to the rescue. What do I see? A new tire for Honk.
Mummy says it's very important to watch where you're going, Honk.
Bleats Lolly the lamb.
Always keep your eyes on the road,
agrees Mrs. Woolly Sheep. A new tire for Honk, calls Swoosh Swoosh.
It's too big,
bleats Lolly the lamb. Right, says Swoosh Swoosh. I'll just find a smaller tire then. But Swoosh Swoosh, this tire is too small for me.
If I was Swoosh Swoosh, I'd take Honk's old tire and find one the very same size.
What a good idea, says Honk. Hello, Swoosh Swoosh, calls Toot the boat. What are you up to now? Hello, Toot. Honk has a flat tire, and I can't find a new one the same size, says Swoosh Swoosh. Well, chuckles Toot, why not try the garage? They have all types of tires. The garage, of course. There is a garage at the airport. Thanks, Toot. Clever, Swoosh Swoosh. Just right. Thanks for finding me a new tire, Swoosh Swoosh. Hello, who's this? Hello, buddy. Do you want to play? Swoosh Swoosh knew there was one last thing to do. Swoosh Swoosh really did come to the rescue today. Have fun, everybody!